brought to my attention the Philippine Conference on New Evangelization, entitled, "Behold, I Make All Things New." This initiative, in keeping with the teachings of the Second Vatican Council, is very much the realization of the principal goal set forth by the bishops of the Philippines at the 1991 Second Plenary Council, which envisioned a renewed mission of evangelization in the Philippines. It is truly providential that this most recent and major initiative for the promotion of the new evangelization is to take place during the present year of faith, whose beginning coincided with the 50th anniversary of the opening of Vatican II and the 20th anniversary of the publication of the Catechism of the Catholic Church. Since both the Council and the Catechism are fundamental to the rediscovery of the faith, which was one of the aims of Benedict XVI in inaugurating this time of grace for the whole Church. The three major movements of the Philippine Conference on New Evangelization: a personal encounter with Jesus, encountering Jesus in the Church through the Word and the Eucharist, and the command to go and preach the gospel to the whole creation, will assist the Church in the Philippines to correspond to Pope Francis' vision for the universal Church, which he expressed so clearly in his address to seminarians, novices, and others in vocational discernment this past July in Rome. Quote, "I would like a more missionary church, one that is not staid, this beautiful church that makes progress." May I take this opportunity to offer to your eminence, to all those who have been involved in the planning of this important initiative, and to those who will participate, my very best wishes for a most successful conference on the new evangelization. With every good wish, I remain sincerely yours in Christ, Rino Fisichella, Archbishop, President of the Pontifical Council for New Evangelization.
Please stand.